Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia and welcome to the last week of our 10-minute body sculpting month. Yes, we've got one more week and today we are going to be working at the bar. They're very simple exercises but beautiful to tone the full body. So we're gonna target everything in one go in only 10 minutes. So remember that if you've missed out on the past month, I'm gonna link everything up here in the cards and in the box in the description down below. There's going to be a playlist, so everything is going to be grouped under one roof for you to go and check it and see, and also to know what the rules of this month has been. So we've got two very important rules. So start from day one, start from the first video if this is your first video. But if you're ready to work on the last full toning bar that we've got ready for this week, let's not delay it. Let's start it. Get a bar, a chair, or something that you can hang on to, and let's do it. All right, let's start in front of our bar, in front of your chair, with the hands right in front of you, all right? Obviously. Okay, so open up your shoulders, and from here, we're gonna go into a nice, beautiful pliè, and we're gonna stretch and pliè and stretch. Popo going down, not out. Very good. And up and down and up and down. Up. Very good. This time we're going to add a arm. When we go down, we press it back up and down. Press it back up and down. Press it back up and down. Press again. One. Few more. Very good. Every time, look at your arm, opening up the chest. Yes, very good. From here, lift. We go down, lift up, and down, lift up, and down. Same thing. We go down with your arm, and up, and down. Keep on your demi-pointe, and up. Very good. Good. And up, and down, and up, and down. Couple more, and down. Very good. From here, I am going to move the bar out to the side. Very good. So one hand here, the other one is going to go push. Right, we're gonna go down to the side and we're gonna take straight and down. Very good. So we've got the back bend and we're using the leg. I told you we're going to work everything that we've worked in the past month. And up. Keep that foot pointed. If it cramps up, is good. Up and down and up and down. Up and down and up. Keep the foot there. Turn towards our leg, and from here we're going to go attitude and down. From the bum, core engaged, and down and up and down and up and down. Lift up and down. Keep the supporting leg nice and steady. Yes, and up. You hold. From here we're going lift, press it down, and lift the arm, press it down, and arm, and down, and arm, and down. Few more, come on. Keep that back leg nicely lifted. Up and down, core engaged. Very good. Down. Extend it, come back. Very good. Shake the supporting leg. Grab the bar, take it to the other side. First position, good. Take one beautiful pota bra to start here, yeah? Make sure that you're not too close to the bar, hand in front of you, yeah? Because otherwise the chicken wing happens. Good. From here, lift and stretch and lift and stretch. Very good. Lift and breathe and up and down. Few more down, good. Feel this side of the core working and down, very good. Twist, first position with the bottom leg, yes, not to twist it. Careful of what's happening to the knee. I want a knee nice and strong. Very good, we're gonna go lift our attitude, yeah? No dog pee, attitude, and down. Almost like your foot wants to chase the opposite shoulder, yes? But the knee is lifted, good. And down, a few more, up, down, up, down, couple more, down, up, down, lift the leg. From there, lift and down, and lift the arm, down, lift the arm, down, lift the arm, down, very good. Lift, down, feel the bum, down, lift, down, up, place it down, come back, back into the first position. Give a good moment and stretch to your bum. Take one leg, stretch. Oh yeah, feel that glute, very good. Breathe. And change as a glute because we've got two. Very good. And breathe. Very nice. Awesome. Back to the first side. Very nice. Before we get to the first side, sip of water and let's get back here in 30 seconds. I'm sure you're enjoying the burning that Ballet Fitness is giving you. And if this is what you want, I want to invite you to the Lazy Dancer Studio, where we've got workout plans every day for months for you to enjoy barre and more exercises. Plus we've got full-on ballet classes from start to finish to enjoy and to do based on your level, whatever you need. But the most beautiful thing that we get together every single month is our live classes where we work and we are in the same virtual room together, cheering each other on. So I'll see you there. Let's keep going with the barre. We're ready, nice and simple. Hand onto the hip. We're going to tap strong legs together. We're gonna tap up, very good. Never really touch the floor, the leg comes up, very good. Beautiful. And then from there we flex. Good. Feel the burn, feel the muscles working. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Point again. Very good. Up, 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 up. Come on, come on, come on. We can do this. Yes, feel the quad, feel the inside thighs, then flex again. Good. Gorgeous. Take it to the side. Flex your hand and point. Careful of the popo. We don't want to go out. We want to have the leg slightly in front so we feel all the inside thighs. Yes, we're not doing this exercise or something else. Bum and tailbone is facing down, not forward, not at the back. Yes, right there. Very good. Flex and good. And breathe. Feel the inside thighs really working. Good. And from there, wave. Good. And breathe, 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 and down. Shake it all. Very good. Other side. Ready? Pointing our foot nice and strong to the front. Good. And go point. It's almost like you want to almost, yeah, go across. Keeping the hips nicely squared in front of me. Oh yes, if you're like this, come back. Someone is pulling you, caressing you. Keep on tapping up. Oh yeah, just because I'm explaining doesn't mean you gotta stop. Very good. And from there, flex. Flex and feel the inside thighs. Very good. Keep on breathing. Feel the burn. Nice. And point again. Really point that foot. Really, really point it. It's like it's our extra 20 centimeter leg coming along, and then flex and feel the heel really pushing forward. Yes, elongating. Good. Point Take it to the side, hand to the side, and point. Good. Breathe, breathe, and flex. Very good. Flex, keep it flexed. And from there, feeling these legs here and point. Very good. I like the flex better. Let's go flex. Good. Breathe and wave. And breathe. And breathe. And wave. Feeling inside thighs. Good. Breathe and down. Very good. Take a moment, second position, and breathe nice and long. Grand plie to releasing the thighs, inside thighs. Gorgeous. Down and up again. And down. Come on, it's our last 10-minute week. We can do this. Gorgeous. And down. And lift up. From there, take a nice long stretch. We're gonna go down to the side, feeling the inside thighs. Touch the floor, look up at the ceiling. Very good. Stay there for a moment. Breathe, come back up. Nicely, gently, and down the other way. And breathe, feel the inside thighs. Oh, feel how much they worked. Very good. Lift up. One more time. Opposite. Feel the twist. Open up the arm even more. Good. And lift up and down. Touch the floor. Feel the inside thigh. Open up the chest. Let go of the arm. Open up the shoulder. Good. Breathe. Come back up. Nice. From here, take a bow. Give me a beautiful swan. Coming down, take the other way. Beautiful swan. Coming down, one more time. Beautiful swan. And coming down. And again, beautiful swan. And coming down. Beautifully done. Thank you so very much. Very well done, and thank you so much for joining me with this 10-minute 5 weeks. We did it for 5 weeks and it has been great. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, let me know what your experience has been in the last 5 weeks, so what you've learned. I want to know how you feel. I want to know how your body has shaped so far. So let me know how your habits and the lemon and water has gone and all the changes that you've seen in your body. As you can see, dancing makes us feel good and working hard makes us feel good, and it gives us satisfaction. So thank you so very much again, and I'll see you next week, which is going to be next month, into a new July. Something new is going to happen. So see you then. Thanks again.